Okay. So what you're going to do today, we're going to make a pattern of fabric, straight to the fabric, not using the brown paper and the pattern paper. So we already have our measurements, we already have our design. So what is the shoulder? Shoulder is 7.25. So you divide it by 2 again. And then you're getting a shoulder, you divide by 2. So if you divide this by 2, it's divide this by 2. No, this is half scale.
Yeah.
No, but now we want to some of them is half scale, but now we want to do the pattern. So you also still divide it into half. Then on our starting point, what you need to do, this is your starting point. Then from there, take measure. Then from there, you need the shoulder. What's the shoulder?
5.87.
Divide by 2, you get 2.9. So the 2.9, that's what you come and mark here, okay? So you get your, but remember for neckline, it's about 2 to 3 inches, okay?
Yeah.
So let's say, let me use, because you're doing half scale, I will do 1.5.